In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cloud Code on Windows. We'll go from finding the official documentation to getting the app up and running, so you know you're downloading the right thing and setting it up correctly. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Cloud Code Docs. You want the official documentation, so click the result labeled something like Cloud Code Overview, Cloud Code Docs. Sticking to the official site helps you avoid outdated files or untrusted downloads. Once the overview page loads, scroll until you find a section called Platforms and Integrations. This is where Cloud Code lists the different ways you can use it. In that section, look for the option that mentions Cloud Code on desktop and click it. That link takes you to the download options for each operating system. On the Downloads page, choose the Windows installer labeled for x64, sometimes shown as 64-bit. That's the version most modern PCs use. If you're not sure which type your computer is, a quick tip: you can check later in Windows under Settings, System, and About, but for most recent systems, x64 is the right pick. Click the Windows download to start. Your browser may prompt you to confirm the download or choose a save location. If you don't pick a location, it usually goes straight to your Downloads folder. Keep an eye on the progress indicator and wait for the download to finish completely before moving on. When it's done, you can click the file directly from your browser's downloads list or open File Explorer. Go to the Downloads folder and locate the installer you just saved. Double-click the installer to begin. Windows may show a prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. This is normal for installers. Click Yes to continue. You'll see the installation window with a progress bar. Let it run and avoid closing the window while it's working. Depending on your system, it might take a minute or two. When the installer finishes, Cloud Code will open on your desktop automatically. You'll be prompted to sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it right there, and the process is quick and free. After you're signed in, you're ready to start using Cloud Code on Windows. That's it. You found the official docs, selected the Windows x64 download, ran the installer, approved the Windows prompt, and signed in. Enjoy exploring, building, and getting productive with Cloud Code.